Yeah, hello guys, you're highly welcome to another amazing tutorial on Obutu Fashion channel. On this video I'll be showing you a quick video on how you can stitch this turn up on the sleeve. So please, the first thing you have to do is to cut the sleeve like this. So after you have cut the sleeve, you leave a 0.5 upward like this for the seaming allowance, and then you measure your sleeve length. So the sleeve length of this sleeve is a 9 inches, so you roll down 9 inches, and then you apply 3 inches for the sleeve hem. You apply 3 inches for sleeve hem. So this is the folding of the sleeve now, and that is a 3 inches. So that is a 3 inches. So this place now is for sleeve folding. So after you do that, you turn the sleeve like this. Once you turn the sleeve like this is the back surface of the material, so you can chalk it. So this is the back surface of the material, and this is the sleeve hem. So you fold it like this, and then you measure 2.5. Measure 2.5 here. So once you measure 2.5, you measure 2.5 on the other edge again. So this is now, that is a 2.5. So you measure 2.5 on this side again, and then you press it very well. So once you press it, the next thing you have to do is to fold it again, and just turn it again like this inward, and then make sure that the first folding is very key into this folding. So let me show you that again. So this is now, this edge now, make sure that it's very key into the material. That is the second folding, and then you press it again. Yeah, so make sure it's very key. That is very important, so that when you are stitching it, the material will not be pulling out. So this is it now. That's the back, and this is the front of the fabric. So once you do this, the next thing is to proceed to the sewing machine, and then you stitch a 0.2 on this edge straight down. You stitch 0.2 on this edge, and that is it. After I've already stitched this 0.2, so this is the back now, and this is the front. You can see that. So just iron it from the back, and voila, that is it. You can see that the material is not pulling out. So this is it. This is the front surface. You can see how neat and well relaxed it is. So the next thing to do is to fix this on the main material. Please, if you derive value in this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the like button as well. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.